Hello everyone, we from Group 14 and we're going to explain liquid extraction. But first, what is chemical engineering? Chemical engineering is an engineering course that deals with the study of operation and design of chemical plants as well as methods of improving production. It has specialties related to it, like engineering design, environmental engineering, materials processing, and etc.
Liquid extraction, also known as solvent extraction. It's a process to separate miscible liquid mixture by using another immiscible liquid, which called solvent. In other words, if we have a liquid mixture consists of two components, A, which is dissolute, and B, which is the carrier liquid, and we want to either extract component A and use it in another process, or if we want to reduce the amount or the concentration of A in the feed, we simply add a liquid solvent C. The solute will dissolve more readily in the solvent, in which it has a higher solubility. A mass transfer of component A will occur from the feed to the solvent, and we will end up with a raffinate layer with lesser concentration of A and an extract layer with higher concentration of A. Liquid extraction is mostly used when the liquid mixture has a very high boiling temperature, or when the two components of the mixture have similar boiling points, and when the material is heat sensitive, like vitamins. In all of these cases, separation by distillation is not applicable. The process of liquid extraction is commonly used in many industries. It has been around since 1909, when Professor Italiano did the first commercially successful liquid extraction operation, which was developed for petroleum industry. Italiano's process was developed for the removal of aromatic hydrocarbons from kerosene using liquid sulfur dioxide as solvent. Since then, the process have been developed by many other industries such as chemical, nuclear, and food processing industries.
Advantages and disadvantages of liquid extraction. Stock advantage of liquid extraction: simple operation, simple appearance, flexibility with physical properties and various parameters. Also, liquid extraction can be used in the separation of isotopes. It can be operated at low moderate temperature for recovery of heat sensitive products. Let's talk about disadvantage of liquid extraction. Need to use large values of solvent of high purity, which can increase environmental pollution. Low selectivity, large amount of organic solvent also can be affected by small impurities in the solvent. Countercurrent process can be complicated and require complicated equipment.
Liquid extraction types of industrial process. Liquid extraction is being utilized beyond the scope of chemical industry. In food industry, they use liquid extraction to ensure the safety of the food that is being produced. In agriculture industry, they use liquid extraction to identify disease-resistant genes in crops in order to improve the product and reduce the losses. In pharmaceutical industry, they use liquid extraction to isolate and identify proteins, antibiotics, and enzymes. Liquid extraction is being carried out using a variety of equipment. The first one is agitated column, or as known as mechanical column. The second is mixer extractor, which is known as static column or equipment. Tray column, and finally packed tower.
Now let's have a look about the usage of liquid extraction. Here is some typical scenarios involving liquid extraction. Extraction of natural compound, extraction of acidic compound, and extraction of a basic compound. Firstly, extraction of a natural compound. If the desired organic compound is natural, the extraction sequence usually involves simply extracting with an organic solvent. Extraction of an acid compound. If the desired compound is acid, we can selectively deprotonate that compound by using an aqueous base. Lastly, extraction of a basic compound. We can protonate a base compound by an aqueous acid.